Math GED Prep. Question 1. Two independent events have probabilities 1/4 and 1/3. What is the chance both happen? Option A 1/3. Option B 7/12. Option C cannot be determined. Option D 1/12. The correct answer is option. For independent events both occurring, multiply the probabilities. 1/4 times 1/3 equals 1/12. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it keeps only one event's probability. Option B is wrong because it adds independent probabilities instead of multiplying for both. Option C is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Question 2. Find the range of the scores 12, 19, 40, 43, 35, 34. Option A 55. Option B 30.5. Option C 31. Option D 35. The correct answer is option. Range equals highest minus lowest, so 43 to 12 equals 31. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it adds the extremes instead of subtracting them. Option B is wrong because it finds the mean. Option D is wrong because it chooses a middle value instead of comparing highest and lowest. Question 3. In the line y equals -3x plus 1, which number is the y-intercept? Option A -3. Option B -1. Option C x. Option D 1. The correct answer is option. In slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b, the y-intercept is b, which is 1. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it is the slope, not the y-intercept. Option B is wrong because it changes the sign of the intercept. Option C is wrong because the intercept is a number where the line crosses the y-axis. Question 4. Two angles in a triangle are 73 degrees and 50 degrees. What is the third angle? Option A 123 degrees. Option B 107 degrees. Option C 130 degrees. Option D 57 degrees. The correct answer is option. Triangle angles sum to 180 degrees, so subtract the two known angles. 180 to 73, 50 equals 57 degrees. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds the known angles but does not subtract from 180 degree. Option B is wrong because it ignores the second known angle. Option C is wrong because it ignores the first known angle. Question 5. A chart shows 34 students chose online study and 51 chose books. How many more chose the larger group? Option A 34. Option B 51. Option C 85. Option D 17. The correct answer is option. How many more asks for a difference, so subtract the smaller value from the larger value to get 17. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it selects the smaller group. Option B is wrong because it selects the larger group but does not compare the groups. Option C is wrong because it gives the total rather than the difference. Question 6. If 42 flyers are shared equally among 6 tables, how many flyers go on each table? Option A 48. Option B 252. Option C 36. Option D 7. The correct answer is option. Equal sharing means divide the total by the number of groups. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds instead of dividing. Option B is wrong because it multiplies the total by the number of tables. Option C is wrong because it subtracts instead of dividing. Question 7. Convert 2 liters to milliliters. Option A 2000 ml. Option B 1002 ml. Option C 200 ml. Option D is 0.002 ml. The correct answer is option. 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters, so 2 times 1000 equals 2000 ml. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it adds the conversion factor. Option C is wrong because it uses 100 instead of 1000. Option D is wrong because it divides instead of multiplying. Question 8. Select the greatest decimal from 5.9, 4.9, and 2.2. Option A 2.2. Option B. They are equal. Option C 5.9. Option D 4.9. The correct answer is option. Compare tenths first and then hundredths if needed. The greatest value is 5.9. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it is the smallest value after aligning decimal places. Option B is wrong because the digits show different values after the decimal point. Option D is wrong because it is between the other two values. Question 9. Find the distance between -4, -1, and -4, 5 on a vertical line. Option A 0. Option B 5. Option C 4. Option D 6. The correct answer is option. For a vertical segment, distance is the absolute difference of the y values. 5, 1 equals 6. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it uses the exchange, which is 0 here. Option B is wrong because it adds coordinates from one point. Option C is wrong because it adds y values instead of subtracting them. Question 10. Which point lies on y equals -1x plus 4? Option A 1, 5. Option B -1, 5. Option C 0, 5. Option D -1, 6. The correct answer is option. Substituting x equals -1 gives y equals -1, -1, plus 4 equals 5. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because changing the x value changes the line calculation. Option C is wrong because using the new x value would require a different y value. Option D is wrong because the y value is 1 unit too high. Question 11. Multiply 8 by 6 quickly. Option A 48. Option B 14. Option C 56. Option D 40. The correct answer is option. Multiplication means 6 groups of 8, which equals 48. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it adds the factors. Option C is wrong because it adds one extra group. Option D is wrong because it leaves out one group. Question 12. Convert the mixed number 2 and 2/6 into an improper fraction. Option A 4/6. Option B 14/6. Option C 10/6. Option D 2/8. The correct answer is option. Multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. 2 times 6 plus 2 equals 14. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it adds the whole number to the numerator without multiplying by the denominator. Option C is wrong because it subtracts the numerator even though the mixed number is positive. Option D is wrong because it places the whole number over a changed denominator. Question 13. A calculator shows 7% sales tax on $90. What total should be paid? Option A $6.30. Option B $97. Option C $96.30. Option D $83. The correct answer is option. Find the tax as 7% of $90 and add it to the original price, giving $96.30. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it shows only the tax, not the full total. Option B is wrong because it adds the tax rate as a dollar amount. Option D is wrong because it subtracts the tax rate as dollars. Question 14. Simplify the ratio 24:48 so it is ready for a get answer choice. Option A 1:2. Option B a 24:48. Option C 48:72. Option D 2:1. The correct answer is option. Divide both parts by their greatest common factor, 24, to get 1:2. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it leaves the ratio unsimplified. Option C is wrong because it adds instead of dividing by a common factor. Option D is wrong because it reverses the order of the comparison. Question 15. A fair spinner has 6 equal sections. What is the chance of not landing on section 4? Option A 1/6. Option B 5/6. Option C 1. Option D 6/5. The correct answer is option. Only one section is excluded, so 5 of the 6 sections work, giving 5/6. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it gives the chance of landing on the target section. Option C is wrong because it assumes the target section is impossible. Option D is wrong because it reverses the numerator and denominator. Question 16. Identify the mode of 8, 10, 12, 12, 12, 14. Option A a 12. Option B 6. Option C 11.33. Option D 8. The correct answer is option. The mode is the value that appears most often. 12 appears 3 times. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it gives the range. Option C is wrong because it finds the mean instead of the most frequent value. Option D is wrong because it appears only once and is not the most frequent value. Question 17. For y equals 2x plus minus 1, what is y when x equals minus 1? Option A 1. Option B y equals minus 3. Option C minus 1. Option D minus 2. The correct answer is option. Substitute x equals minus 1, y equals 2, minus 1, plus minus 1 equals minus 3. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it substitutes 1 for x instead of the given value. Option C is wrong because it subtracts the intercept instead of adding it. Option D is wrong because it ignores the coefficient of x. Question 18. A right triangle has legs 6 and 8. What is the hypotenuse? Option A 2. Option B 10. Option C 14. Option D 100. The correct answer is option. Use A superscript 2 plus B superscript 2 equals C superscript 2, 36 plus 64 equals 100, so C equals 10. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it subtracts the legs. Option C is wrong because it adds the legs instead of using the Pythagorean theorem. Option D is wrong because it stops before taking the square root. Question 19. A table lists sales as Monday 25, Tuesday 27, and Wednesday 19. What is the 3-day total? Option A 27. Option B 71. Option C 23.67. Option D 52. The correct answer is option. Add all three listed values. 25 plus 27 plus 19 equals 71. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it selects only the largest day. Option C is wrong because it finds the average rather than the total. Option D is wrong because it leaves out Wednesday. Question 20. A student has $89 and buys 7 notebooks at $12 each. How much money is left? Option A, $5. Option B, $77. Option C, $173. Option D, $84. The correct answer is option. First find the cost. 7 times $12 equals $84, then subtract from $89 to get $5. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it subtracts only one notebook. Option C is wrong because it adds spending to the budget. Option D is wrong because it gives the amount spent, not the amount left. Question 21. Convert 6 pounds to ounces? Option A, 96 ounces. Option B, 22 ounces. Option C, 72 ounces. Option D is 0.38 ounces. The correct answer is option. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound, so 6 times 16 equals 96 ounces. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it adds 16 instead of multiplying. Option C is wrong because it uses 12 as the conversion factor. Option D is wrong because it divides by 16. Question 22. Round 6.260 to 2 decimal places? Option A 0. Option B cannot be determined. Option C 6.260. Option D 6.26. The correct answer is option. Look at the digit immediately after the requested place and round to 6.26. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it would only fit a zero value situation, which is not shown here. Option B is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option C is wrong because it leaves the number at 3 decimal places. Question 23. Reflect the point, -1, -3, across the x-axis? Option A, 1, -3. Option B, -1, 3. Option C, -3, -1. Option D, 1, 3. The correct answer is option. A reflection across the x-axis keeps x the same and changes the sign of y. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it reflects across the y-axis. Option C is wrong because it swaps coordinates instead of changing the y sign. Option D is wrong because it reflects across both axes. Question 24. For the graph of y equals -2x plus -3, which slope should the line have? Option A, 2. Option B, -3. Option C, -2. Option D, 0. The correct answer is option. In y equals mx plus b, m is the slope, so the graph should rise or fall by -2 for each 1 unit of run. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it changes the sign of the slope. Option B is wrong because it identifies the y-intercept instead of the slope. Option D is wrong because a zero slope would be a horizontal line. Question 25. Subtract 17 from 79 in a no calculator warm-up. Option A, 96. Option B, 2. Option C, 62. Option D, -62. The correct answer is option. Subtract 1s and 10s carefully. 79 to 17 equals 62. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it adds instead of subtracting. Option B is wrong because it subtracts only the ones digits. Option D is wrong because it reverses the subtraction order.